Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. What I have here is the Buschur Racing lightweight Crossmember. This thing should save about 6 pounds off the front of your vehicle. Let's get it. Boom, there it is, guys. This thing's pretty light. I mean, can't weigh more than maybe 5 or 6 pounds, I don't know. But yeah, let's get this thing installed on the car. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the two. The OEM one, you can see, has quite a bit more material on it than the Buschur one. This one also weighed in at 4 pounds. This one weighed 10 pounds. Okay, it's time to get this new one installed on the car. That's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.